Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I just got this out of Target, and then this was the last one that they have left. It's $119.99 plus tax. So when I use my Target red card, I get additional 5% off. So this one is the Bissell Little Green PROHEAT carpet and upholstery cleaner. It has a heat wave technology, easy to store, easy to fill, powerful formula. And this one removes stains anywhere. Includes a 3-inch tough stain tool, 3-in-1 stair tool, hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool, trial size pro spot and stain, plus oxy formula. So I read about the review on this one, which is pretty good. This one has heat wave technology, so it will lift up the stain or the dirt pretty nicely, okay? And you could get the pet stain and odor, eliminates top pet odors. There's oxy boost, add to formula, permanently removes tough stains. So you need to be careful when you get those kind of solution. Sometimes you will bleach your carpet instead. Your carpet might become spotty, so you gotta be careful. So it says warning, formula contains hydrogen peroxide that may be harmful if misused. Read cautions on individual container, keep out of reach of the children. And then the carton made from minimum 50% recycled cloth and package recyclable. So it has a permanent stain removal, spray, scrub, suction stains from the outer curves, corner, and threads of your stair. Heat wave technology helps maintain water temperature throughout the cleaning process to loosen and remove tough stain. Special tools, clean upholstery, stairs, and more with these unique tools. Rinse out your house after each use with the hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool. And this one offers 2 years limited warranty. So basically you got the same information over here. Alright, so let's go and then unbox this. So it says carton contents over here. This one is the flex hose clip. And B, this one is the hose grip. C, quick release cord wrap. D, tool storage. E, 3-in-1 stair tool. F, it's a 3-inch tough stain tool. G, hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool. And then there is a H, trial size professional spot and stain plus oxy formula, and I is a user guide. So here's the user guide right here. So in this side is English, and then the other side is in Spanish. Alright, so this one is the oxy spot and stain. Permanently removes stain. So this one's only a floor ounce, so hard to come down. Oh my gosh. So you got the nice long cord, and then this one is the 3 prong with the ground. It's a flex hose right here, pretty flexible. So inside it is like a hose. So probably to spray water. There's a nozzle right here, adapter. And this is probably the trigger switch. See what's in here. Probably all the attachment of the tool. Wow, so this one's the 3-in-1 stair tool. So if you have a sharp edge on your stair, then you need to use this side. And if you have a contour of the round, then you use this side. So there's a hole right there too for the suction, and also right here, and then there's this one right here, pretty wide with all this brush bristle, and pretty nice constructed. You got this like a honeycomb, so it gives you more sturdiness around this right here, so it doesn't break off. So this seems like it's for you to wind the cable. There's more right here, and that's it. So you press here to release. You press the button to detach it. Go ahead and check out the unit. There's another, this one's the hydro rinse. Yeah, I gotta read the instructions, so many attachments, so. Oh, it says rotate. Nice. So here's your on and off switch right here. Oh, so you put this on the back. Yeah, I don't want to push in. I'm not sure. Does it say which side or what? So these two, you put on the back, and then you wrap this your power cable around this. Oh, here it is. This is simply one. So this one goes to the front. Number two, that's this one. So yeah, this one go toward the power cable. And then this one go with this side. And then there's this one right here, goes here. Also, this one goes like that. But the problem is only got one to hold the brush. What about the other one? I think either or. Oh, the other one just got touched right here, I guess. Yeah, I think that's it. And I'm not sure about this one. Maybe you get touched there. Well, anyway, that's about it. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. I'll probably do a review on this one later on. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.